Do you want to learn how to use this new AI music generator by Flexclip? In this video, I'm going to help solve your problem. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's get to it. Now over here, this is not available inside the Flexclip AI tools. So you have to go over to this website URL, which is flexclip.com/AI/music-generator. And then inside here, it's going to give you these credits on the top right. This is your total credits available that you have got in your plan on Flexclip. And you can also check out more AI tools here. I'm going to make a tutorial on each of these, plus a full tutorial, which is going to be available on a playlist at the end of this video on the right hand side. You can check it out from there. And on this page, you've got the AI music samples here. You can take a listen to them. You can also remix it from here, so you can make the same music, but remix it that way. If I not hover on it, I can let it play, and you can just check out the other ones as well. And on the left hand side, you got vocal and instrumental. So you can use a reference music over here. You need to upload an audio of at least 15 seconds. And it's going to take 10 credits every time. You can try a sample here. And I'm going to use this sample and generate it. And our music has been generated. Let's take a look at it. It just looks like a similar version to this reference music. And I can make a video here. I can download it to my computer, or I can delete it. What this does, let's check it out. It's just going to add it to our media folder and to our timeline. That's what it does. So I'm going to remove it. And over here, let's go to vocal, reference music. Let's try a sample. All right. And I can go for a reference voice. All right. I think you can also record the audio. So probably you can record your own voice and such, and it's going to make it. Now, I'm not going to do that. I don't have a voice to make in music. So in lyrics, you can describe the lyrics here, so I can generate it. First, you need to enter the lyrics description. All right. And this is what I've thought of. Let's click on generate. And there you go, the lyrics. Now, click on generate here, which is going to take in 10 credits. And this takes in 10 credits each time you generate an AI music. And if you want to check out your total credits, you can see it on the top right. This is your total credits. I've got the business plan. That's why I've got this many credits available. Now, click on generate. And let's check it out, what it generates. The music has been generated. Let's take a look at it.
Chasing dreams, finding homes across the seas and shining lands, with wagging tails and playful hands. Through the streets of Paris bright, to the mountains in the night.
I did not like it that much, but if you have a taste for this, you're going to like it or not, you can let me know in the comments. And you can make a video just like we did here. You can it's just going to put it in the media folder and insert it in a new project as an audio file. And you can download it from here to your computer, or you can delete it from that side. Now, if I click on it, you can see this. It's going to make a full pop-up like that. And you got the lyrics here. You can copy it as well. So yeah, that's it. This is how to use the AI music generator on Flexclip. And if you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you ever got any questions. I'm going to help you solve it. There will be a playlist that's going to pop up on the right hand side. You can go inside it and you can check out all my tutorials on Flexclip. There will also be an how to use Flexclip inside it, a review on Flexclip. And if you really found it helpful, there will be a link in the description. You can check it out. And if you buy any of these paid plans on Flexclip, it's going to help me out with a small commission. So check out my other tutorials and see you there.